Perfect. Good morning, everyone. My name is Noah. I'm 24 years old, and I'm currently a grad school student at Brook College, and doing my master's in finance. So I'll start a bit from my story. I was born in Ethiopia, and I saw the impact of education and tech firsthand when I was in high school. In high school, we used to carry like heavy bags, like we had big books, and I never liked doing that. Like, that was like the worst thing. So I came up with an idea of why don't we just create a simple app that has all the books, and then that way everyone will have access to their books just from the app. And we created this in my junior year of high school when I was 17. And this showed me how it actually affected the lives of my friends, the other students, also the teachers. It just made like things very simple. So that led me to think of, hey, in the future, what I want to do is I want to do international companies that actually affect, education, but also have like a direct effect on people. So that led me to go and study in Germany and do industrial engineering, which is all about making companies better from a process perspective. And after graduation, I got to work for Mercedes-Benz as a consultant, helping them optimize their financial databases or SAP. But then that was not the dream. The dream was to build companies. So I moved to New York 2 years ago. Started school at Peru, and then we started last summer. I saw how AI was booming, and there was this big gap of AI is increasing and changing every day, and then there's this big skill gap. Like people do not have time to go learn about finance AI tools or healthcare AI tools. Also, companies they don't have time to actually experiment with the different AI solutions and also integrate it to their systems or data. So that's why we started GenAIx. We started as GenAI Consulting. But then what we do is not just consulting, we also provide education. So we rebranded last month to GenAIx. So what we do at GenAIx is almost 80% of employees believe that AI will affect their jobs. But then only 15% are actually getting training, like actual training that helps them to use the different AI tools. So most employees might use ChatGPT or image generations, but then there's different, more complex AI tools out there that can actually automate like real business solutions. So for that, there's like a big gap. Only 15% receive AI training, and like a large percentage of companies are considering AI as their top priority. But then most companies are actually in pilot projects, or most of their projects is not working. Like they don't have like a fully autonomous AI strategy or a fully working AI database. So these are the two problems that we're trying to solve at GenAIx. And so this is the problem. And the solution is we already built an education platform. So if you visit GenAIx.org, you can already find videos. So the videos are showing different tools out there, for example, finance AI tools, healthcare AI tools. So we already have like around 5 videos on GenAIx.org, but then we're going in and planning to have almost 40 by the end of this month. So we're mixing that, and then we also have 8 AI consultants. So what are AI engineers? So what they do is they specialize in AI, and then they can create custom solutions for each and every company or our clients. At the same time, we also help companies kind of help get them started, because most companies they want to start AI, but there's a lot of possibilities, right? Like where do you start? From marketing, sales, HR, optimization, technical operations. There's a lot, right? So what we do is we do AI assessments or readiness assessments. What these assessments are is they kind of like map out your processes and they give you pay. If you start from marketing, this has like the better ROI, or like sales, this has like the better ROI. So this readiness assessment kind of gives companies ideas of, hey, this is where you can get started. And then these are the different tools that you can integrate into your processes. And then they also help them with the integration processes. They are AI engineers. So those are like different packages we have. But then at the same time, so the education platform is not like heavy detailed AI, but then what our engineers are doing are more like heavy, more deep AI solutions. But then more than that, we're also doing courses, workshops. So on LinkedIn, every 2 weeks, we're hosting like webinars teaching people about the different AI trends that are happening. So we're mixing media or grabbing attention with education, like the webinars, and then the consulting services or engineering. So these are like the 3 things we're mixing together, and we're kind of like bundling it together. So now we came up with packages. So we have like packages for startups, packages for middle-sized businesses, and packages for enterprises. So I'll give you an example of a package for a middle-sized company. So there will be like a monthly payment of $5,000. It will be like a recurring subscription model. But then when they pay $5,000, they get access to unlimited videos helping all of their employees use AI. And then also they get access to 5 hours every month with our AI engineers to help them come up with an AI strategy. And then more than that, in the end, they also get access to the different AI tools our AI consultants are working on. So what is the market size? So the corporate AI training market is $16 billion right now, and it's projected to grow to $47 billion by the end of 2028. And also the AI software market is actually $150 billion right now, but it will be around $2.6 trillion by 2030. And also the AI consulting market is $97 billion, so it's expected to grow $184 billion. So GenAIx is sitting in between all this exponentially growing markets. And what is our team structure? So our team is over just the past 5 months, I gave about 30% of equity to 19 people, and we grew this team. So we have a consulting team, our AI consulting Jaime, who is an associate director at KPMG, who has more than 20 years of experience leading teams of more than larger companies. These are our AI consultants, platform dev team, marketing, sales and partnerships, and who are like our key competitors. Our key competitors are, you have Coursera, Udemy. They provide kind of like individual learning. It's not very enterprise type of like focused learning. We have McKinsey, Accenture, KPMG. They're more like they don't provide education. It's like a one-time solution. So we're mixing both, and as you can see, like all these companies are kind of like going to a hard time right now. Like consulting companies, their models are working. Udemy, Coursera, it's kind of like general the courses. So we're mixing all of this together, and we're providing like a whole package. And what is the goal for GenAIx is, and the goal for GenAIx is by 2028 to be a holding company. So using the consulting and education advantage to actually create products, acquire other products, and become a holding company for AI application focused companies. Thank you so much.